Hello guys, it's another day, another vlog. It's been a while and hulaan niyo kung nasan ako. I'm finally back here sa bahay ng Oriental Mindoro. And actually kagagaling ko na dito last month, no? But this time is a little different. I'm very excited kasi I'll be doing yung tinatawag ng Mindoro Loop. So starting tomorrow, I'll be going around the entire province of Mindoro. So that means from here sa Oriental, ikot ako ng Occidental, then babalik ako ng Oriental. And I'll be doing that for straight 1 week. It's my way to celebrate my birthday, which I was not able to do last week. Actually, dapat last week pa ako umuwi dito, no? Pero due to unforeseen circumstances, I was not able to do that. But I'm finally back. Kung taga-Occidental kayo or even dito sa Oriental Mindoro and you know that there's a place na worth it for me to visit, then please let me know, comment down below, or you can send me a message kasi I'm very excited to go around. It's my first time to do this. Exciting and at the same time medyo kinakabahan ako kasi I'll be doing it all by myself and I'm not really familiar with Occidental Mindoro. So kung taga-Occidental kayo, may alam kayong landmark, beaches, or other places that I can explore, or even yung mga pagkain na pwede kang itry, and especially yung mga pwede kong matuluyan, no? Kasi wala talaga akong idea. I have little to no knowledge about Occidental Mindoro. Somehow dito sa Oriental medyo familiar pa ako kasi dito ako, taga dito ako sa Oriental. Pero sa Occidental talaga wala. So if you're from Occidental, then please let me know kung saan ako pwede magstay, saan ako pwede pumunta, ano yung mga pwede kong itry. I know sa Sablayan meron dyan yung longest zipline in Asia. I will definitely try that pag-ikot ko dyan. And medyo kinakabahan din ako dun sa pagtawid ko from Abra de Ilog to Puerto Galera kasi hindi ako sure kung okay ba yung tulay, or alam ko ginagawa pa rin yung tulay up until now. Pero nakakatawid naman daw yung sasakyan only if medyo mababa yung daloy ng tubig sa ilog. Pag hindi, then unfortunately I have to turn back and umikot ulit pabalik, no? It doesn't matter kasi again, I have 7 days to do that and I'll be doing that starting tomorrow. So kung makita nyo ako along the way, please don't hesitate to say hi. Hindi naman ako nangangagat. Pero ayun lang, see you on the road and wish me luck. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you want to see my videos in the coming days, then don't forget to follow me in this channel. Thank you. See you again. Bye.